Hi, welcome to Math with Kim. Here is a quick review over adding and subtracting decimals, okay? So just real quick review. Write your numbers with the decimal points vertically lined up, add or subtract, just like whole numbers, and then bring your decimal down, okay? So as you notice in example 1, it was written as 90, I'm sorry, I don't even know where 9 came from. 23 and 85 hundredths plus 1 and 604 thousandths. Now notice what I did. Instead of putting them horizontally side by side, I dropped the second value we were adding underneath and I lined up my decimal places vertically. So my ones places lines up my ones place, my tenths is with my tenths, hundredths with hundredths, thousandths, and notice what I did. I put a 0 at the very end. Again, reviewing our rules, you can plug in a 0 after the last digit of your decimals, as many zeros as you like. And I just did that to line up the digits, as you can see. So 0 plus 4 is 4, 5 plus 0 is 5, 8 plus 6 is 14, carry the 1, 3 plus 1 is 5, bring down the 2. And notice decimal, boom, just drops right there. Okay, then in the second example, I'm showing, notice that the 3 values are being added horizontally again, and I lined them up vertically, lining up my decimal places, okay? And same concept there, just adding down. I added my extra zeros here, I added my extra zeros here, just so that we had enough numbers to line up. And again, it's not a big deal. You don't have to put in those zeros. I just did for visuals, okay? So 1 plus 0 plus 0 is 1, 5 plus 0 plus 0 is 5, 6 plus 1 plus 9 is 16, carry the 1, 1 plus 7 plus 8 is 16, carry the 1, 1 plus 3 plus 2 plus 3 is 9. Notice I brought my decimal right down. 6 plus 2 plus 4 is 12, carry the 1, 7 plus 1 is 8. Okay, and then the last thing I just wanted to remind you of too is when you're subtracting, you can also think of that as adding the opposite and enter that in your calculator. Or I told the rules, which you use your old rule, adding positives and negatives. So really, you're going to take the bigger number, quote unquote, the bigger absolute value, subtract the smaller absolute value, get that answer, and then look to see where you have more. Do I have more negatives or do I have more positives? More negatives. So my solution will be negative. Okay, that was a quick review over integers, as well as adding and subtracting decimals.